Hello, and today we'll be looking at this rock lord. This is Saberstone. Bit of a problem. The head's supposed to lock in, but it doesn't. So spring's still good there. So I'm guessing it's some part of the mechanism round here somewhere, or there's a latch broken inside, which could very well be a latch broken. But until we open it up, we won't see. So this is Saberstone, part of the Rock Lord's toy line. It was one of the second only female Rock Lord. The other one was Solitaire, part of the gem line. Yeah, so let's take it apart and see what the problem is. So these were first released in 1986. They were kind of the follow-up to the GoBots. So there's a movie GoBots and the Battle of the Rock Lords, and the toy line was part of that. Part of that franchise. I recently picked this one up off eBay for, I think it was about £25, which is quite a good price for a Saberstone in the UK at the moment. Let's have a look what have we got here. Okay, so that's I suppose that goes down, latches over, so that's got to be pushed in. So, which means there's probably, let's just take the legs and arms out first. Let's see, have a look at it properly. Yeah. So there's definitely something that's on there that needs to push. It's pretty clean in there. The spring's not too bad, because I expect over time, as being quite old, the springs tend to go on those. So that could be one of the failures, and these do fail quite a lot. You do see them broken quite a bit. Okay, what's going on here then? Oops, fingers and thumbs today. Yeah, that's right. And that just sits in there. Okay, so I'm guessing the issue would be on this side. I think that it's buried in there as a spring, but it doesn't look very springy. Get it out. There we go. Yeah. What I think I'm going to do is just replace that, because that doesn't. It's not bouncing very much. So, what I think I'm going to do is get a pen and use the spring from a ballpoint pen. So back in one tick. I've taken apart a ballpoint pen, like the clicky ones, and I've just cut down a bit of a spring just to replace that one. And let's see if that will work. Let's push that in. That's in there firmly. And hopefully that spring will push back on that, which will give us the mechanism. So let's get the arms and legs back in. Guessing that's that side. This is where you could do with an extra pair of hands yourself. go. Put the arms back in again. Hopefully this would work. I can't see why it shouldn't. I'll just hold it together for now. That sounds better. Head stayed in. Problem solved. So it's just down to that old spring. There's not very much tension in it, just not over time, just failing. So let's just get it all screwed up and we have a fix. That's a bit springy now. So we get a screw in very quickly. Oh, well, I'm happy about that. That's a nice little fix. So I hope you've enjoyed this little video. If you have, please consider to subscribe to the channel and like the video. It really does help. And I will be doing some more videos. I've got a few plans for the future. I think the next one will be a Tomitronic 3D electronic game, which I've picked up recently. So there we have Saberstone in all her working glory. And head popping. Nice.